Hey guys, now in today's video we're taking a look at the Elegoo Mars 5 Ultra, which in my opinion is one of the easiest resin printers to use on the market. So if you're looking to get into resin printing and you'd like to have something that is easy, we're talking about power it up, pour some resin, and start printing, then you'll want to check out the Mars 5 Ultra. If you are an experienced resin printer and you would like to eliminate the hassle of failed prints, then you're going to want to check this machine out as well. So let's go ahead and check out the specs. We'll take a look at some of the prints that we generated. And I got to tell you, I've been printing nonstop on this machine and I have yet to have one print fail. Let's knock on wood. I don't have wood near me, but I'll tell you, it works great. Let's go and check it out. Now, the Mars 5 Ultra is a very feature-rich product, even though it's smaller in the actual resin lineup from Elegoo. 7-inch 9K mono LCD. It does have an LCD screen protector with 9H hardened tempered glass. You can connect to this device via USB or Wi-Fi, and I have to say that the Wi-Fi capabilities just work. Now, for those of you who are considering, let's say, air purification, it does not come with a standard air purification system, but it does have compatibility with the Mars Mate air purifier. The printing speed, 150 millimeters per second, and it's using this tilt release technology that we just saw recently released. What happens is that the actual resin tray, as it's going down, actually isn't fixed like traditional resin printers, but actually tilts. And as it's tilting, you have the actual bed plate going up and the resin tray tilting and moving at the same time. And this basically accelerates the resin print of your printer. Now, this has also one of the things that I absolutely love after years of struggling with leveling, one-click automatic leveling. Literally, all I did is I opened this product up, I removed all the plastic, took off some of the protective sheets, and it did everything. It automatically leveled. It has self-checking, overheat protection, and this is what resin printing should be like. It's the closest thing that I would compare to having a filament printer, an FDM printer, that right now are also very error-free where you can use it right out of the box. That has not been the case with resin printing for a very long time. It also has an AI camera, right? It has, which detects a lot of things: empty build plate detection, warp detection, real-time monitoring, and we're talking really, really clear. Time-lapse recording, which you're seeing. Smart mechanical sensor as well. It has a resin shortage alarm. How many times have you ruined a actual, I would say, resin tray because you ran out of resin and it kept on pressing on it and you ruined the actual resin tray? It's happened to me. It's happened to me quite often. It has residual detection alarm. It says leveling failure alarm, power loss, resume printing. All these features spell out reliability, ease of use, and worry-free resin printing. Something that I can't say has been available in a very long time. So let's take a closer look at the Elegoo Mars 5 Ultra. You'll see why I'm excited about it. And I have to tell you, this is not just a resin printer for the beginner. It's a resin printer for the pro, especially if you want worry-free printing. And who doesn't want worry-free printing? Everybody does. Let's go check it out. Now, the very first thing we'll take a look at is the overall aesthetics, the actual cover, the actual base. Everything looks very similar to its larger brother. The screen itself, while it is of a similar size, the operating system, if you have experience with the older brother here, you'll find that now it's not just the experience that is borrowed from its older brother, but it's also the navigation, the operating system, and everything that you'll see in a couple seconds as you're navigating inside of the OS is similar. Now, everything that we've run here is running on Chitubox, and every job that I've sent to this printer has been sent via Wi-Fi. I'm not using any USB sticks, which is something else I really, really appreciate. And you can see I have this in a separate area where we deal with resin. And again, being able to send it from my PC, which is in a different room, and monitor it separately is a great feature. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is remove the cover from the printer, and you'll notice that I am wearing my resin gloves just for a couple seconds. I want to highlight something about the actual case itself. So if you do want to add some type of extraction, some type of ventilation, you'll notice that you can do it there. I'm going to put this on the floor. And the first thing that you'll notice is that you can see right here that the AI camera is present right there. And then what you could also then see that this bed is actually, the tray itself is actually coming up and down. So the bed is fixed, it is moving, but it's moving ever so slightly up, but the actual resin tray is shifting up and down. And this is the technology that's accelerating the overall performance of how quickly you can print. Now, obviously, because this is a Mars line, it's a little bit smaller. It's not as large as the other printer, but it is a fantastic printer when it comes to overall print quality. And I just want to show you a couple models that we've ran on the printer, and then we'll go ahead and take a look at the operating system. So one of them came right on the USB stick, which is something I like to just run just to see what it looks like. And it's a traditional, again, chess piece. All right, so while the printer's printing, I just wanted to show you this chess piece so you can see the overall quality here. This, I think, is fantastic. And I have to say, guys, that this was with zero calibration. Right now, keep in mind that this has been, I would say, sliced by Elgu, and I just ran it from the USB stick. So we'll just give them that, right? The fact that that's how this thing is created here. But I'm going to show you a file that I sliced myself using Chitubox, and then you'll see the overall quality. But this, absolutely fantastic. Look at that first layer right there. Nice and clean. Everything here is fantastic. So let me make sure that this is in focus for you guys. Check that out again. And you can see the actual detail, everything that's going on inside there, and everything that's going on here on top. Really clean print. And I'll share with you times, all the details. You should see them showing up on the screen. But this is a really great model, great detail. Now the next model that we have right here is the Flash. And this guy right here, I actually broke the base by mistake. I'm actually reprinting him right now because I really like the way this model looks. You can see the overall quality here. Look at the detail right there in the face, right? Really nice all the way around, right? You can see a little bit of the, I would say, blemishes here because of the supports, right? That could be filled in. But overall, if you look at that detail, that looks pretty spectacular as well. Now, the next model that I have here had no trouble whatsoever. Matter of fact, none of them had trouble. But as far as the pit marks that we saw with the previous one, as you'll see this right here, you can see, again, all the detail here. Pretty, again, spectacular. Came off without any issues, no failures. Matter of fact, we've been printing at least 20 other functional prints that we've already sent off on this printer. And I will tell you, none of them failed. And that's a big difference that I found with resin printers. When I first started on resin printers, there was all this calibration. With this guy, there's no bed leveling. It auto levels. It calibrates itself. It is really a worry-free printer. And also, it will detect if there's any debris on the bed, it will detect. So how many times have you been working on a resin print to find that you've punctured your vat tray? Lots of times for me. And with this, there's so many smart technology features in it that just basically help you have a worry-free resin experience. The other thing is that it has a self-cleaning mode where you can just push a button. If you haven't used it for a while, it will do one exposure level, and then you can just pull off the bottom layer just to be on the safe side. But take a look at this guy again. Really, I'll put the artist, the creator's name below on the screen so you can see that. But look at all that detail. That is pretty nice. Loving the quality. So overall, what are my thoughts with the Elgu Mars 5 Ultra? It is just a solid buy. This resin printer just works. I love that it works just right out of the box. I love the technology that accelerates its ability to, once again, speed up printing. At first, I would have said that resin printing requires more advanced users when I first started doing resin printing many years ago. But now, these printers are almost, I would say, to the same level as FDM printers, where a lot of FDM printers now just work out of the box without any calibration and you're ready to go. The same thing is true with the Elgu Mars series, and that's definitely true with the Mars 5 Ultra. Now the menu system is really simple, and again, it's just like we saw with the other printer. You go into the print area, you can print from either a USB file, local file. You can also look at your history. You can go into tools. You have manual raising and lowering. You also have LCD screen exposure. You have tank cleaning, which is going to shoot a curing session that will give you a thin layer that can take anything off of there. You have an emergency stop option. You have device self-test, and then you have resin calibration. And I want to say this is the stuff that, again, that excites me about this printer, because it makes it so easy to use all these tools. Over here, you have your language setting, your app settings, Wi-Fi, you have your print mode, and then you could do, again, we have ours set at high speed. And then what you also have over here is your servicing and your version upgrade. It's that simple. So guys, that wraps up our review. See you in the next video.